Hi everyone, today we are doing Module 3, Whole Number Addition and Subtraction, Lesson 3. So turn to page 15 so that you can follow along and take notes. So our word today is regrouping. So this happens in addition and subtraction. Today we're talking about just addition, but double-digit addition with regrouping. Here's an example. If you're doing 43 plus 27, remember we start on the right, we start in the ones column. 3 plus 7 is 10, so we leave the 0 there, but remember we have an extra 10. We can't put 2 digits here, so we got to bring that 10 over to the tens column. And then we add that in with the other tens. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, so then our final answer is 70. So that's called regrouping. We're regrouping it into a new place value. Here is another example, 57 plus 36. So we start on the right, we go to the ones first. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we leave the 3 because that's in the ones place. And then we carry that 1, we carry the 10 over into the tens column. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, so our final answer is 93. So when they say regrouping, that's what it means, is you regroup, you put that 10 into the tens column. So here are some examples. First, as a reminder on number 1, we just want to write out the hundreds, tens, and ones. So if we look here, there would be 500 for 500s, and then the value of the tens is 70, and the value of the ones is 6. So then here, number 2, let's look here. We have 8 plus 5 plus 4. Well, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. So we leave the 7 in the ones, but we got to carry the 1 into the tens place, and then we bring it like that. So you could just write it as 17, but it's helpful to carry the 1 to make sure that you're remembering to do that. Number 3 here, 46 plus 43, we do the ones place first. 6 plus 3 is 9, and then we go to the tens place. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then down here, we can see 27 plus 45. 7 plus 5 is in the ones, that's 12. And then notice they carried that 1 for us. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. And then here we have 56, we'll just rewrite it, 56 plus 17. 6 plus 7 is 13, carry the 10. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now remember, you learned in the last lesson how to use that website with the base 10 manipulatives. You can use that to help you as well. Okay, so here it is with the base 10 models as well. So 37, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 37. And then 25, 10, 20, 2 tens, and then 5 ones. And then when you add them all together, you put them all in. But then notice here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. But with the ones, when you add 7 and 5, it makes another set of tens here. So that's another 10. So there's actually 6 tens and then 2 ones. So 37 plus 25 is 62. The next one here is 37 plus 20. So we can see that 37 plus 25. Sorry, 37 plus. Sorry, they're finishing the problem here. So we can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 tens, but they counted it as 5. But then if we look here, we have 10, 11, 12 ones. Well, we can't have a 12 in the ones, so then you make it into a 10, which makes it 6 tens and 2 ones. So it equals 62. Okay, let's do these together. 28 plus 59. So we would do 8 plus 9 is 17, and we're going to regroup we need to bring that 10 into the tens place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 32 plus 49. 2 plus 9 is 11. So we leave the 1 down there. We got to carry that 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then again, when it's written like this, it's much more helpful to rewrite it like this so you can line up the place values. 5 plus 9 is 14. So we put the 4 there. Got to carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. So again, remember, you can practice this way. Otherwise, use the website and it'll help you as well. So adding two-digit numbers with regrouping using symbols, 58 plus 36. Write the numbers one under the other with the place values lined up, just like this, like we just talked about. And then it says add the digits in the ones column. If the sum is greater than 9, then you have to regroup. 8 plus 6 is 14, which is greater than 9. So you have to regroup because it's 110. So you leave the 4 ones and then you carry the 10. So you write the ones digit of the sum in the ones column under the equal bar and the tens digit above the tens column. And then you add the digits in the tens column and write the sum in the tens column under the equal bar. So remember, this is the equal bar. So since we carried that 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. The answer is 94. All right, now you are going to complete page 17 on your own. Good luck.